Hello everybody, my name is HippieGamerDude, and today I'm going over my PC build specs and then more accessories to go along with it. So I'm going to tell you all my specs in a list, and I'm going to go over my accessories too. The first thing on the list is the Asus HD770-2GD5 graphics card with 2GB to 600 R5, and it costs $119, and that's the graphics card. The graphics card is pretty important because it's the thing that makes the game's graphics and all that stuff look good. So yeah, that's the graphics card. Then I have the Intel Core -5 4590 4x3.7 GH2 Power as Rock HAIM-VG4 socket LGA L1150 motherboard bundle, and that's $226. That's the processor, I'm pretty sure. And then we have the 12GB 3x4GB memory RAM for HP/Compact Workstation 2000 DDR3 ECCR. That is $93. And then we have the Antec Earthwatts EA-650 green power supply, 650 watts, and that's $79.99. And then, of course, a very important thing, we have Windows 8.1 32/64-bit full version, and that's $76.99. Then we have the Samsung SpinPoint F3 desktop class 250GB internal hard drive, which is $38, and that's like the little disc thing that has plays CDs and games and stuff in disc form. And then we have the Seagate Barracuda 1TB internal hard drive SATA 3 BT3, and that's $115.15. And then we have the Apivia AX-4 Hermes no power supply ATX mid tower case, which is the little case to put around the entire computer itself. And then we have the HP W2072A-20-inch TN LED backlit LCD monitor with speakers, which is $99. That's the little thing that you actually see the recording games and all that stuff on. And the total, all of that without including tax, is $907.11. And it could round up to $1,000 at most. So that's how much my actual computer and monitor would cost altogether. So that's a lot of money, but it'll definitely be worth it in the end. Now for the accessories that will go along with the computer or somehow relate to that. We have the PC desk, which is the Fernio Home Laptop Notebook Standard Computer Desk Office Suite, which is $39.99. Then we have the PC keyboard, which is the Logitech KB208BK 2-color blue/red character illuminated keyboard, two-tone black, which is $23.99. And then for the mouse, we have a retail LPCS high razor mouse, Abyss mirror, it's special Atlantic, which is $24. And then I might need a webcam, so the PC webcam is the V7CSO300 Vantage Webcam 300 web camera, which is $11.99. And then some speakers to set up for a little surround/system thing, which is the Logitech S-120 speakers PC multimedia, which is $10.99. And then we got a new PC desk chair, which is the Best Chair OC-H12 Chronogonic Mesk Computer Office Desktop Mid-Black Desk Task, which is $44.99. And then we have the PC microphone, which is the desktop microphone with tripod for laptop/PC, 3.5mm jack -2.1mm cable, which is $13.49. And then we have the PC mouse pad, which is the Razer Galactic Fragged Control Edition Small Mousepad, which is $15.99. And then a new PC headset, which is the Razer US R712 00870100 R3V1 overhead gaming headphones, which are $61.99. and then some sound block stuff to make the sound of my annoying screaming brothers a little less, which is a sound dampening pad, which costs $4.99 for one, but I'll get about 10 of them and like put them on my walls back there, like over the door and stuff, so like you can't hear them, and I can't hear them, and it'll be better for recording. And then for some video editing software, we have the video editing software for PC, which is $39.99. And without tax, the total for all of those accessories combined will be $337.41. But if at most, it'll cost $400. So yeah. And then a total for the front and back, which is the PC specs and the accessories, is a total of $1,244.06. Now that seems like a lot, and I'm definitely not rich, but with all that stuff together, that's definitely a good deal. And I will try to get as most of that, if not all of that, by next year. So yeah, now you know some of the accessories and specs for my computer, and I will update you on everything I get. I'll update you, I'll take you through the process of my computer being built, and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't miss my PC build, because that'll bring this channel up, and that'll make these videos better, and it'll just make this channel better in general. So yeah, thanks for watching. HippieGamerDude, signing out. Goodbye.